Good morning.
Good morning.
And welcome to Let's Cook number 6. Today we're going to be using a juicer. We've got it here. There we go. And we're going to be making a mixed fruit and vegetable juice. So you can choose anything. We've got apples. We've got oranges that have been peeled. So you might need to ask an adult to help you do that. We've got celery that's been just chopped up, washed and chopped up. And we've got carrots that have also been peeled, washed, and chopped into slightly smaller bits, chunks. So very simple. All our things are ready. All our vegetables and fruit are ready. This is going to be a juice packed full of vitamins. We're switching on the machine. It's going to be a little bit loud. And we're putting in one by one. See the juice coming out. So we've had apple, celery, orange will be next. We're going to do 2 at once. And the children that will be at school today, they will have the chance to try this juice. Celery. We've got big chunky carrots going in. We've got a nice green-orange mix of juice. This is a really good way to stay very healthy and eat those 5 portions of fruit or vegetables each day. Sorry, Mr. Pavel. More celery and apple going in. Let's do some more carrots. Oh, and an apple. Getting lots of yummy juice. Okay. Another orange. Some more celery. Hope you can see the beautiful colours. We've got orange and green mixing. We'll give it a big mix at the end. More celery. Now we're doing this on quite a big scale. So we want our year 2s, 3s and 4s and 5s that are in school to have a try. Our first jug will be full in a moment. We'll get another jug ready. Okay. So we're going to keep going. And we'll have a try of this. So we've got cups. Cheers.
Cheers.
Delicious. Cheers to you too.
Bye.
Bye. Don't forget to send me a photo of yours.